But there's somebody else who wanted to be here for you tonight. Her name is Ann Jeffrey. Do you know her? You know that girl?
That's my sister.
Okay, somebody has to talk.
I wouldn't cry.
I knew this was going to happen.
It's okay.
Yes.
It's okay. It's okay, because this is what love looks like. She told me, Jody, that it's like God put a circle of your friends around you when what happened, and they've helped you move forward. So much so, she told us, Anne, that you were so instrumental in her healing that you told her to go and do your psychology degree.
Yes.
And you are now doing your psychology degree.
I'm doing my psychology degree.
Yeah.
Yeah, was inspired not only to help Jody, but to help others. The journey, it has been a tremendous journey. And we're not here crying because we are sad. We're here crying because it's another day, and we're here giving thanks because we know where we're coming from. We saw those days when she was helpless and she felt hopeless, and we took one day at a time, and we're here. And I love you. One day at a time. That's all we took. And there were days when, she was not even sure about the day. And I said, "Come on, Mama, one step at a time."
And when you look at her now?
I envision this because I saw the strength that she has, and she just needed encouragement, and she just needed somebody to be non-judgmental and just be there for her, just to hold her hand and say, "No, this is not it. This is not the end. Rise up." And on a daily basis, I would say to her, "Rise up, rise up. This too shall pass. Just hold on."
She did come in for a lot of judgment.
A lot of judgment.
But you did talk her through that.
I had to, because the judgment was not coming from afar. It was coming from very close. Persons that she thought would have been there for her, and that was not so.
So, Jody Ann, what do you want to say to Anne and the others who were there for you?
And let me tell you, when it comes down to Anne, you know, I had a hard time with the pregnancy even before the event itself. It was very heartbreaking for me. And then Anne was there for me. When the incident happened, Anne was there for me. And when it happened, I told Anne, I said, "Anne, there's no way I can make it through this. Like, it's not possible. I cannot do it." And Anne said, "Yes, you are going to do it. I promise you, you're going to look, and you're going to look back and say, 'Boy, you know, this is where you are.'" And I remember she always used to tell me, Jeremiah 29, verse 11. You understand? And let me tell you, she always said, "Let me tell you, God have a plan for you. And just remember, He's going to prosper you. He's going to give you hope, and He's going to give you a future." And I remember when she always used to tell me, no feeling is permanent. No matter if it's good, no matter if it's bad, it's not permanent. So you may be feeling this way now, but you're not going to feel like this forever. And